If you're doing a 2-year MBA, these could be the most important 2 years of your life. But a lot of us come from varied backgrounds: engineering, BCom, humanities. We have work ex, some of us, most of us don't in India. So how do you make the best of these 2 years? Here are 5 steps that you can focus on to make your 2 years really, really meaningful. Step number 1, choose one subject every trimester to focus on. Friends, the day you enter your MBA, there is one thing you can definitely do. When you start your semester, when you start your course, you can pick one subject that you think you're interested in. It could be marketing, it could be statistics, it could be financial management, or it could just be a great teacher who's teaching well. Focus on that one subject for that trimester. So over 6 trimesters, you'll have 6 to 8 maybe subjects that you have focused on, 6 to 8 areas that you become really good at, and that will help you in the long run. The second important tip is take up live projects as soon as you can. Friends, by the time you've completed a trimester, about 3 to 4 months into your MBA, you will have an idea, that it appears that I want to go more towards MBA finance, or it's HR that I want to specialize in, or like me, you have an idea that you want to get into marketing per se. Even if you don't have, please do start taking up live projects. You've had 3 or 4 months exposure by now. You know what the course is all about. You've interacted with various people, teachers, peers, students. So take on live projects. It's a lot of learning. You'll start picking up skills apart from what you learn in the classroom, and that will really help you. For your job that you take up later on, and also for the interview that you'll sit for, in say a year or 18 months. Step number 3. Work on 2 or 3 soft skills. Again, from day one into your MBA, you should know that you'll be learning a lot of, not formulae, but a lot of new formats and ways to look at problems, different case studies. But friends, what happens is that in the real world, soft skills are extremely important. So try and have an idea right at the beginning. For example, when I had joined, I had completed my engineering, and I thought that one of the things that I want to do is to improve my communication, to present better. So, communication, presentation skills could be one. You're going to interact with a lot of people. So maybe, how do you build networks? How do you connect better with people? It could be the art of negotiation. It could be you may want to join committees where you get skills of teamwork, leadership. So think on that and work on it from day one, because these are about 2 years where you'll be meeting a lot of people in your campus, outside campus, in your summer training. So focus on 2 or 3 soft skills. It will really help you. Build on lifelong relationships. Friends, I don't want to use the word networking because that sounds very transactional. But your MBA or your PGDM program, 2 year or even 1 year, is a great time to build relationships. You don't realize that in the beginning, but by the time you're 2-4 years into your career, 7-8 years mid-career, later on, supposing you're starting your own business, your relationships help a lot. They give you advice, they give you contacts, they give you a lot of professional and personal support that you may require. This is one of the things I wish someone had told me. So of course I'm lucky. I do have friends and relationships from 20 years ago when I did my MBA, but this could have been done with more mindfulness on my part. So remember this, think of building relationships, not networking, but lifelong relationships. The last point number 5 is your mindset. Try to have a mindset of learning in a way that you use it to add value to something. Have a kind of a freelancer mindset that I talk about. I mentioned it in one of my earlier videos. So whatever you learn over 2 or 3 classes or over a trimester in a subject, see how you would put it out in a project. Can you use it? If you were a freelancer working for someone, how could that main areas knowledge that you've learned, how would you actually apply it? It'll help you in 2 or 3 ways. One is it's active learning. So whatever you're learning, you're trying to see where you can apply it. So I think you're sharper. Second, you're moving away from boring theoretical stuff at times. You're trying to actively use it in an area so it becomes more interesting. I think you tend to learn more. Thirdly, it'll also help you in your job interviews and when you take up a job later on, because you've started now figuring out how your education works in the real world. So these are the 5 steps which, if you think about and you apply, I think will be of great help to you. Please do like and share this video. Also subscribe to our channel, and I wish you all the best.